Edelweiss is in focus. Sources are now telling us that the company could be looking at selling 25 to 30% stake in its mutual fund business. And apparently it's in talks with a number of asset management companies as well for this. Yash is joining in with exclusive details. Yash, what exactly are you picking up?
Well, Surbi, so there are two parts in terms of updates that we've picked up from our sources. First is with respect to the mutual fund business. What we've been given to understand is that Edelweiss Financial Services is looking to sell about 25 to 30% stake as far as its mutual fund arm is concerned. Now, the names to which the company has been talking to with respect to the sale of this particular stake makes this transaction very, very interesting. They've been speaking to large mutual fund houses based out of the US. These include Fidelity, Capital Group, Northern Trust, State Street Global, as well as Legal and General. As far as its equity AUM for Edelweiss Mutual Fund is concerned, a fairly large size, about 70,000 crore rupees out of the total AUM of about 1.5 lakh crore rupees. So that is the first part of the transaction. The second part that we've been given to understand is with respect to the entity called EAAA or Edelweiss Alternative Asset Advisors. Remember, the company had filed its DRHP papers with SEBI last December. This was returned in March because there was some accounting difference with SEBI wanted to see in the papers. The company is expected to refile its DRHP papers by the end of next month itself, that is June end, and launch the IPO by December. Edelweiss Alternative Advisors, as I said, first filed the papers in December, and now, of course, it was returned back in March. The company and the IPO will be a complete OFS, which means Edelweiss Securities and Investments, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of the listed Edelweiss Financial Services, will be raising about 1,500 crore rupees as far as this particular IPO is concerned.
Just for clarity, Yash, how much stake does Edelweiss? I mean, it's a 100% owned business, or are there other partners as well? You're saying they're looking to sell up to 30%, right?
Correct. So, of course, there are different, it's a 100% owned business, but there are different schemes where there are different owners. So, the shareholding is a little blurred in terms of the mutual fund business with respect to the direct holding of Edelweiss Financial Services. But as far as the EAAA business is concerned, there it is 100% holding by Edelweiss Securities and Investments, which again is a 100% subsidiary of Edelweiss Financial Services.
Okay, all right, got that. Thank you very much for that, Yash. So Edelweiss also in focus. By the way, by the time we were talking about